probably be famous as soon as I'm through knocking down the Berlin Wall and inventing super glue. If I have an extra minute, I'll paint a masterpiece and sell it for $1 million to a faceless priest. Maybe then the mirror will show me the man I could become. I'll leave the tags on my pillow and obey all traffic signs. Eat the crusts of my sandwich, color between the lines. Write Christmas cards to people I don't even know. Ask my vote to decide which lawyer gets to run the show. Maybe then the mirror will show me the man I could become. For the address next door, leave the toilet seat down and my clothes on the floor. And if I chew with my mouth open wide, pretend I'm in London and drive on the wrong side, maybe then the mirror will show me the man I could become. And if I wear fancy dresses all the time, drink lots of Diet Coke with a twist of lime, wear tons of makeup and red high heels, glue a cell phone to my hair and converse in loud squeals, maybe then the mirror will show me the man I could become. Sailor and sail the 7 seas, I'll find a girl to teach me all about the birds and bees. I'll get a tattoo on my chest with the image of a girl wearing nothing but a skirt and a lovely string of pearls. Maybe then the mirror will show me the man I could become. But the face in the mirror will only be a reflection. Just disjointed in my head. I heard voices in the rain, clear as can be now. Voices in the rain.